sir. So concerned for my safety.
Food! Hey, listen to this! You...
Summon Rhinosaurus.
Him? Oh. What you gonna do?
All right, dear, come on. You get the first bite, and I'm next.
How could he? Huh? And only Ned has the guide for getting you through it.
If you ever get pantsed, try wearing a janitor's outfit.
So get your Neducation on.
Keep extra clothes in your locker in case of accidental wedding.
Ned's Declassified School Survival Guide, now on Team Nick. Weekdays at 3.
I can survive this.
This Christmas, only one movie event will make the world go gaga. The Chipmunks are back.
Oh, you're in, Johnny.
You just missed him, Oswald. What a glorious day for ice cream.
Yes, this... Here, Fanny.
What?
I want a whole case of chocolate X-Flax playing bingo.